Let's go. Get the camera rolling.
Okay, ready?
Mhm.
3, 2, 1, and go.
So guys, today we're making mini cupcakes. Blindfolded, can't hear, and you can't talk. So, what? So first you go in with this in the bowl. This. You know what? I'm gonna finish that.
Which one are we doing?
Confetti. The top one.
Wait.
What?
Wait, which one?
The top one, like the three, not the egg
This
one.
one. Okay. Wait, a half cup?
Does it say that?
Where's the background?
Babe, can we do this 1 cup of water?
I'm coming. Oh my god.
It's the fault. No. What? Me? Okay.
Oh, we're cracking eggs. I want it. Let me crack it. Is that good? Another one?
Me. I'm gonna do this one.
We all do one.
You would. Kindergarten?
What? I need toast. I need a toast.
Kindergarten. He's actually old now.
That's cash.
Kaiser's at Lilith's kindergarten.
Quit making fun of me. Why aren't you guys talking? And going.
She just said, why aren't you guys talking?
Kendall can't talk.
God, I can't even hear.
Can I mix?
Stop.
Make sure there's no eggshells.
Kendall's just laughing the whole time.
Good work, Bea.
Is it
Good
mixed?
work.
Is it good? Done? Is
Good
it
job.
done? Is it done?
What?
Is this done? Is it done?
Is it done?
Yeah.
No, mix it a little bit more.
No?
Way better than ours.
Good?
What would yours? You guys did this too?
Oh, wait.
Really?
Pour them in the thing. And get it cooking.
When we did the whole thing,
Are you guys pouring it up?
Don't guide her. Don't guide her. It's fine.
It's the oven's preheated.
What is she
Thank
doing?
goodness I preheated. To the left, Bea. The left.
Over here?
Yeah.
More.
Oh, wait.
I'm full.
Oh, shit.
How much do we fill it up? Oh, I don't even know.
We have to wash this.
No, not that much. Not that much. Not that much.
Not that much.
It's too much. It's gonna overflow.
Less.
I told you.
Can I do it?
Babe, it's like
Bro.
in the batter.
What was it? Can I
Smoke-
pour some?
Do you want to do this?
Yeah. I asked you.
She can't hear you. Do it.
Push him in more. Push him in more. Yeah.
Oh,
That smells good, huh? They look good. Like confetti.
They look. Oh, can I eat one?
No, it's okay. Babe, what's going through your mind right now? What are you trying to decorate?
I'm trying to frost it.
Just frosting in general?
Yeah.
Kendall, what are you going for? What kind of decoration?
Can I frost it?
Johanna, what are you trying to make?
Mm-mm.
Johanna.
Not my favorite colors. What color you have? Orange?
Trying to get a little swirl action in.
I did a heart.
Oh. So nice. Dang, that was good.
I want green again. Or black.
Babe, what are you trying to make?
A pumpkin with a green background.
Alright.
Oh, that. Ugh. Give me a napkin.
Johanna's actually looks good.
Hmm. I need black. Where do you think my pumpkin's at?
In the middle.
I gotta get a picture of this. Nice.
Stem.
I know.
What just touched me?
Nope, let me see the final product. Babe, whenever you're ready, let me see your final product.
I'm not.
Can we eat them?
Babe, everybody else is done, so. Hold
she
it
did
hold it
look
up.
good.
Hold it up.
Pumpkin with a
know.
green background
All right, you guys.
with
can
eyes and a stem.
Boom. Oh wait, are you guys letting them?
good.
Are you guys letting them cool? Are you guys letting them cool?
Should we?
Are you?
How much time do
Are you letting them cool?
These are
Johanna,
supposed to be-
who am I?
I knew it was you.
Are we cooking or what? Or are you guys cooking or what?
So first you go in with this in the bowl. You know what?